about the last time you actually Googled something. Not searched, not looked up. Googled. Chances are it's been a while because somewhere along the way you started asking AI instead. ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity. You type a question, you get an answer. No links, no scrolling, no guessing. That shift happened quietly and it changed everything for every business trying to get found online. If you're running a business right now, you probably have a website. Maybe you're investing in SEO. Traffic is coming in. Things on paper look just fine. But your customers who research before they buy, they're not starting on Google anymore. They open ChatGPT, they ask a question. Which agency actually delivers? Which clinic has the best result? And AI gives them the answer. Specific name, specific reason. Instantly. The business in that answer get the inquiry. The ones that aren't don't exist. Not because their service is worse, but because AI doesn't know that they exist. SEO is still necessary. Website quality still matters. Ranking still matters. Google is still massive. But SEO was built for Google and Google is no longer the only place your customers are looking. Google ranks pages, AI recommends businesses, and the signal AI uses to decide who to recommend are not the same signal Google uses to rank you. No amount of SEO alone will put you in an AI recommendation. That is the gap, and that gap has a name: GEO, Generative Engine Optimization. Making sure your brand shows up when people uses AI to search. GEO doesn't just optimize the website, it optimizes how your entire brand exists across the internet. Your structure, your authority signals, and the way AI reads your content, and the way your expertise comes through in everything you publish. And here's what makes the Codeyard's approach different. We don't make you choose between GEO and SEO. Our packages covers both, so you keep your Google traffic and build your AI authority at the same time. You don't lose what's already working, you add what's missing. Want just Google? We have SEO for that. Want Google and AI? We have GEO for that. And that's the full picture. ChatGPT processes 1 billion searches every single day. Your customers are already there, and the business that move now own the space. Most of your competitors haven't heard of GEO yet. That window where you can get in early, let AI learn to trust your brand and own the space is open right now, but it won't stay open forever. We are Codeyard. We work with businesses whose customers research before they buy. Schools, hotels, agencies, clinics, e-commerce brands, and many more. If your customer does their homework before making a decision, we know exactly how to make sure your brand is the answer they find. We deliver a result and we have the proof to back it up. If you've watched this far, you're probably the kind of business owner who moves first before everyone else does. We'd like to have a conversation with you. Not a sales call or strategy call. We look at where your business stands on Google, AI, and show you exactly what opportunity looks like for you. No pressure, no obligation, just clarity. We are Codeyard and we look forward to speaking with you. For a free audit and 2026 GEO checklist, click below.